In this video, you'll learn how to connect your spectroscopy setup with the Irradiance mini app in AvaSoftX. You need an intensity-calibrated spectrometer, a fiber optic cable, an integrating sphere or cosine corrector, and the light source to be measured. In this video, LEDs are used. Before taking any measurements, load the intensity calibration file that corresponds to your Irradiance setup by following the next steps. In the top panel, click Calibrate your spectrometer and select Load Calibration from Device and proceed as shown. This step converts the measured signal into absolute irradiance units. The units will be shown when the absolute irradiance graph is selected. Place the integrating sphere directly over the LED that needs to be measured. Click Start Measurement and optimize integration time. Adjust the number of averages if needed. Switch off the LED. Click Save Dark Reference to capture the dark spectrum. Switch on the LED. In the top panel, select Absolute Irradiance from the drop-down menu. To visualize the irradiance plot better, right-click on the graph and select Fit to Y-axis. From the Result Selection tab, select the desired variables. In this video, radiometry variables for inside sphere measurement are selected. Once selected, click Add to Results, and the values are displayed under the Result tab. Thanks for watching this video. In need of more information or support, visit our website or contact us directly.